The longest journey begins with the first step, and it is the first step that makes all the difference. Making a befitting start is all it takes to achieve the desired goal. Pehel, a part of Jagran Prakashan Limited, has been instrumental in playing an interface between different sections of the society. With changing times, the role of media has also changed, and post-independence, Jagran realized and witnessed several new challenges and emerging issues like poverty, education, health, and various other social issues affecting the largest section of our society. Taking forward the same, pioneering many initiatives, Pehel has successfully undertaken many social campaigns through its largest network of communications and innovative means of mass communication to address these issues. In due course of time, Pehel graduated from print-centric initiative to strategic use of 360-degree multimedia approach for larger social changes through awareness generation and advocacy. As the name suggests, Pehel has always taken initiatives to build partnerships with different stakeholders. For a better tomorrow, Pehel has been actively contributing for the social cause. Among the key focus areas are health, gender equality, education for all, population, poverty alleviation, water conservation, and environmental protection. Special emphasis is being laid on the overall health, education, and reducing the gender disparity in the society. With the view to make India healthy and fit, Pehel collaborated with World Bank in addressing the malnutrition issues in states of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, where there is high prevalence of malnutrition. Committed action plan and strategy is formulated and efforts are made to do away with the menace in the states. Taking cognizance of the malnutrition in case of children in Uttar Pradesh, Pehel, in association with CARE, initiated a mass awareness project titled Suposhan Ke Liye Jan Jagran. The project was launched in 4 districts of Uttar Pradesh. An advocacy initiative with UNICEF on neonatal care in UP is generating the committed actions on the part of different stakeholders.
संक्षेप में ये कहना चाहेंगे कि किसी का कोई सुझाव हो उसका हमेशा स्वागत है ताकि हम इसको और इम्प्रूव कर सकें.
Another initiative, Jaan Se Bache Do Jaan, is intended to address the issues of maternal health and diabetes in a comprehensive manner.
ये भारी दिनदारपुर में जो प्रोग्राम लगाया है ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. इसमें गर्भवती महिलाएं जो हैं उनकी जान की और बच्चे की जान की पूरी सुरक्षा होती है.
आंगनवाड़ी कार्यकर्त्री हूँ, मेरा नाम अंतेश तोमर है और मुझे ये आपका कार्यक्रम बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत पसंद आया. इसकी हमें ज़रूरत भी थी. गर्भवती महिलाओं को अपनी ग्लूकोज की जांच जरूर करानी चाहिए.
अच्छा लगा ऐसे कार्यक्रम अगर समय समय पर चलते रहे तो लोगों को इसके बारे में जागरूकता बढ़ेगी और जो ऐसे हैं जो मतलब इनके बारे में जानकारी नहीं रख सकते उन्हें उन तक भी ये जानकारी पहुंच जाए.
On its continuous emphasis on health issues, Pehel joined hands with Jharkhand State AIDS Control Society to fight with the menace of the HIV/AIDS. While the Red Ribbon Bus Karwa covered the districts on rail routes, Zindagi Zindabad IAC vans covered the unreachable areas of Jharkhand. The next phase with 5 IAC vans will cover 9 more districts in the state. For a developing India, equal participation of both male and female is a must in the growth process. Sapnon Ko Chali Chhune in Bihar is one such campaign that was initiated by Pehel. The program targeted young women enrolled in 21 colleges across 6 districts in Bihar. This aimed at providing the women of Bihar a platform to empower themselves. 50 girls were chosen as the champions of change, who would in turn expedite the process of gender equality in and around their locality. Now, the program has entered into its next phase with the support of Government of Bihar, covering more districts and more colleges.
हमें ये भी लगा कि the paper can do much more than just reach the reader. So एक partnership बनी जो बिहार में college students के साथ, girls colleges के students के साथ, it was conceptualized as a way of empowering girls and bringing dialogue and attention to these issues. A lot of energy and commitment was brought to the project by the colleagues at Pehel and at Delhi Jagran. It was a very, very encouraging partnership.
Making a path-breaking initiative in the field of education in rural areas, Pehel brought about a unique idea into practice. After a certain level is achieved in the effort to educate people, the next big challenge is to sustain the interest of these neoliterates. Jagran Pehel, in association with Bihar Education Project, initiated designing, printing and distribution of a newspaper for the neoliterates covering primary schools in 38 districts in the state. 25 copies of this newspaper per school were then distributed in 65,748 schools of 38 districts on every fortnight for 3 years. With India stepping towards developed state from the developing one, the burden on the natural resources is clearly evident. It's high time that we stabilize our population. Pehel has been actively sensitizing the different stakeholders for population stabilization through advocacy initiatives. Environmental concerns like scarcity of clean water and excessive use of non-renewable sources of energy is also being addressed by Pehel. It has been playing a pivotal role in propagating the practice of water conservation in different parts of the country. With each passing day, minute by minute, Pehel is making a positive change in our lives silently and steadily.